discovers. Today we decided to take a walk in the streets of Worcester and see our top 5 favorite attractions.
And if you stick with us until the end, we'll show you what we think is probably the worst thing to see in Worcester.
So let's go.
Let's go.
Worcester's top attraction is the Cathedral, which started building in 1084. The central tower has a height of 60 meters. The cathedral is the burial place of King John, who signed the Magna Carta in 1215.
The cathedral is also the burial place of Prince Arthur, who was the older brother of Henry VIII.
The place we're standing used to be St. Andrews Church, which was demolished in 1949. Today, the spire of the church remains as a monument, and it is 74 meters tall.
The building behind us is relatively new to the landscape of Worcester. It was built in 2012 and is known as the Hive. It's the first time there's been a joint venture between a university and a public library.
As you can see, the building is eye-catching. is designed with gold-colored aluminum panels that reflect the sunlight, and it aims to give the impression of a place buzzing with ideas and creativity. The street behind us is Friar Street, which is the oldest street in Worcester. It has many beautiful buildings that date back to the 14th and 15th century. Today it's a shopping street with many independent shops and lots of coffee shops and pubs and places to eat. It's a nice place to chill out.
The building behind us is the Tudor House Museum. It was built in the 16th century and has foundations going back to the 13th century.
It used to be 3 separate buildings until 1908, when Richard Cadbury of the chocolate family bought it and converted it into one coffee house where locals could come and have cheap meals.
And now, as promised, the worst thing to see in Worcester. At the very end of Friar Street, the prettiest street in the city, the council gave permission to build the monstrosity behind us, which is a multi-storey car park. Why ever and whoever thought that was a good idea, we'll never know.
A walk in the city always has to include a stop for a coffee. We love coffee. Cheers. We are at the River Walk, which is one of our favorite places to visit in Worcester. Of course, we did cover that in our last video. Feel free to go and watch this.
I'll try to add a link somewhere up here if I can. I'm not sure how to do it now, but I'll try to add a link to our Riverside Walk video.
Yes, but it is one of our favorites. So that's it, guys. We've reached the end of our walk. We've done quite a bit of walking today. We've seen the best place to see in Worcester.
Of course, we've seen the multi-storey car park, the worst place to see in Worcester.
Let us know in the comments, what did you think about the places that we've seen? What are your favorites? Have we missed anything? Please feel free to make suggestions. And also feel free to like and subscribe so that you get notified for the next one.
Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you on the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya.